In this video, I want to show you how to change language in Windows 10. The approach is also similar in Windows 11. Let's get started. To do that, come to this Start button, click on it, and click on Settings. This will open the settings page. Then click on Time and Language. When it opens, come to Region. Here, Country or Region, select your country or your preferred country. For instance, I am in Nigeria doing this video. I choose Nigeria. And then come to Regional Formats. Click on this drop down and select your language. In my case, based on the region I selected, language recommended for me is English Nigeria. So I'll select English Nigeria. Then if you come to language here, based on your selection under region, the English or the language you selected will be displayed here as the window display language. And if you want to add other language, you can do so here. Then restart your system to effect the change you have made. This is how to change language in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.